What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to download games for free on your laptop and PC and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So it is quite as it is, simple as it is. All we have to do is just follow these instructions in order to do this. And the first one is all about, before starting, I would like to make you notice that we don't need any third-party apps to get games free for a Windows 10 or Windows 11. So the first step is all about, just go over here, search for the Microsoft Store, and we have to click on the Microsoft Store. And right now, this is a Microsoft Store is actually a marketplace where we'll get apps, gamings, and all those things, both paid as well as free. And to get the free games, all we have to just go over here on the left side. You can see there is an option called Gaming, in which you have to click on this one. And right now, as you can see, if you scroll down over here, you can see these are some of the available games. And if you go over here, you can see there is an option called in the navigation bar, which is called free games. And if you click on this one, these are available right now, free games that you can play on a computer and laptop. So some of these are absolutely free. So from here, you can download anything that you wanted. So one of my favorite game for all the time is Asphalt Legend, where I used to play a lot in the older days. But right, even if you scroll down, you can see there are options like, some compact games are there, even some racing games, even some myth kind of games. All these games are absolutely free. From here you can download it. So from here you have to select the game that you wanted to. And nowadays I used to spend a lot of time for the Roblox. I have to click on the Roblox over here, and if I select the respective game which I wanted to download, all we have to do is just click on the get options over here. So that what happens is the game will be downloaded, and afterwards, once it's successfully downloaded, you can just launch the game and you can play it. And that's what you have to try. So in order to download the faster files, make sure that you are having a good Wi-Fi, and once after it's successfully done, you can launch the game and you can play it, which is absolutely free. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for these kind of videos. And that's it. Bye bye.